Tonight, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to stretch. You don't need to think your way through a problem. You just need to lie down, close your eyes, and let your attention move slowly through your body. This is a body scan meditation, 10 minutes, and one of the most effective ways to release tension you didn't even know you were holding, and prepare your body for deep, real rest. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place to lie down. Your bed is perfect for this one, especially if you're doing this at night. You can also do this on a mat or the floor if it's daytime and you want to reset midday. Let your legs stretch out long, feet falling open naturally, arms resting a little away from your sides, palms facing up or down, whatever feels more natural to you. If you would like, cover yourself with a blanket. Your body temperature will likely drop slightly as you relax, and warmth helps the nervous system feel safe. Gently close your eyes. Take one breath in through your nose and let it go completely through your mouth with a soft sigh if it wants to come. You don't need to control your breathing during this practice. Just let it be natural. Your only job for the next 10 minutes is to bring your attention to where I guide it. That's all. Begin by simply noticing your body as it is right now. Notice the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice the points of contact, your heels, the back of your legs, your lower back, your shoulder blades, the back of your head. You don't need to change anything, just notice. Take one more full breath. Inhale and exhale, letting your body sink a little heavier into the bed beneath you. We are going to travel slowly through the body now, region by region. Wherever I bring your attention, simply let that part of your body soften. You don't need to force relaxation, just bring awareness and let go a little more than before. Bring your attention to your feet. Notice your toes. Notice if there's any gripping or tension there. And if there is, let it soften. Feel the soles of your feet, the heels. Let your ankles soften and go heavy. Your feet are completely supported. They don't need to hold anything right now. Let them rest. Move your attention up into your calves. Notice any tightness from today, from walking, from standing, from simply being in a body all day. And let that tightness begin to dissolve. Your shins, your lower legs, heavy, supported. Let go a little more. Bring your attention to your knees. And now your thighs, the large muscles at the front, the back, the sides. These muscles work hard for you every single day. Right now, they have nothing to do. Let them be completely heavy, completely soft. Notice your hips. This is often a place we hold stress without realizing it, especially if you sit for long periods. Let your hips widen and soften into the surface beneath you. Notice your pelvis, your lower belly. With your next exhale, let this whole region release just a little more. Bring your attention to your lower back. If there's any tension here, you don't need to push it away. Just notice it and breathe into the space around it. Notice your belly rising and falling with each breath. There's nothing to do here except notice. The breath is already doing its work. Move your attention into your chest. Feel it rise gently with each inhale, fall with each exhale. Notice your upper back pressing into the surface beneath you. Let your whole torso feel supported, held without effort. Bring your attention to your shoulders. Notice if they are holding any tension, perhaps drawn up towards your ears even slightly. With your next exhale, let them drop, melt, and release. Move down into your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms. Your wrists, your hands. Let your fingers go completely soft, slightly curled, doing nothing at all. Bring your attention to your neck. This is a place that carries so much of our daily strain. Let it lengthen and soften. Notice your jaw. Let your teeth part slightly. Let your tongue rest heavy in the floor of your mouth. Soften the muscles around your eyes. Let your eyelids be heavy, still, at rest. Notice your forehead. Let it smooth out completely, as if every line is softening. Let your whole face be at peace. Soft cheeks, relaxed lips. And finally, bring your attention to the very crown of your head. Notice your entire body now, from your crown to your toes, completely at rest, completely supported. Now, let your awareness expand to take in your whole body at once. Notice the stillness. Notice that you don't need to hold yourself together. You don't need to do anything at all. Just for these next few breaths, let yourself be completely, fully at rest. Whatever the day held, whatever tomorrow holds, none of it needs your attention right now. This moment is simply for rest. If you are watching this at night, there's nothing more for you to do. You can let this video end and drift straight to sleep. No need to come back to alertness, just let go. If you are doing this during the day and need to return to your day, very slowly begin to deepen your breath. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes in your own time. When you are ready, and only when you are ready, you can open your eyes. There's no rush. Carry this stillness with you into whatever comes next. Sleep well or rest well if it's daytime, wherever you are. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.